If you were to waive, you'd be back home regardless in 2 days anyways. So the state, you asking me for a bond, the state is asking for, you said what, 6,000, right? And due to the fact that you have 4 felony forgery charges, which is serious, and due to your priors as well, where, did you say it was in federal probation or being, even though it was way back when, it still factors into us because we need to know, if I set you a bond, are you going to go back? Everybody tells me yes. Everybody says it's like little bunnies jumping in the woods. But the reality is that not many people who we give bonds actually go.
My case, I own my own business, and also, I live here and also in Houston, so I'm actually back and forth to my son and family and everything.
What do you do for?
I own a fitness company, a trainer fitness company. I'm a well-established businessman, and that's why I was kind of confused about the charges because they say it was on the 21st when they actually, the warrant was submitted, but I didn't receive anything or anything, and I'm back and forth.
They're not going to, you want them to call you and tell you everything? No, they file the charges. They're not going to apprise you of everything.
Actually, I think when I got arrested, I was going on a trip for one of my friend's birthday, and that's how I actually found out.
So what kind of bond would you make? Around 6,000-ish do you think you could make?
I could make that bond.
Well, keep in mind, they're going to have to do 90% to 100%. It's not the 10%, right? Because it's a fugitive. So I want you to think about that.
All right. So I have to pay how much?
Let's assume you have to
I
pay.
would assume everything because you're a fugitive.
6,000.
It's whatever bond we set. Assume you're going to pay your family's.
What can you make?
I guess 5,000.
Understand that you will never get another chance from us here.
Okay.
We give you 2 weeks from the date of your release
Okay.
to get to Louisiana and turn yourself in.
Okay.
If you do not do that, I'm telling you now, it will never happen again. And this time, if you don't make it up, I will revoke this bond, set it at 0. And I'm going to get you because you can't run forever. And this time I will physically hold you until Louisiana comes and gets you. You understand?
Yes, sir.
The only other thing I want you to understand is that if you were to waive today, you will be probably back to Louisiana within 2 to 3 days without having to shell out $5,000.
But that's fine. I'll pay.
If you wanted to pay it, that's fine, but
Go back into because that give me enough time to take care of my business and find exactly what's